Today we are discussing a crucial topic for parents and young adults. How to transition mutual funds account from a minor to major status. If you are invested in mutual funds for your child or you are turning 18 soon, this video is for you. So let's check it out. When a minor turns 18, they become the legal owner of the investments. That's right. The guardians lose control and the young adult gain full ownership. In short, the minor's account shall be frozen for operation by the guardian on the day the minor attains the age of majority, that is 18 years old. And no further customer initiated transactions shall be permitted until the status has been changed to minor to major. But here's the catch. The transaction isn't automatic. It requires some paperwork and steps to ensure everything is compliant with SEBI's regulations. So let me break it down for you. First up, the young adult needs a PAN card. If they don't have one, they'll need to apply for it. Already have a new PAN card, it's great. Just ensure it's updated with the latest photo and signature. You can apply online using the NSDL portals. Don't forget to link it to the Aadhaar card. Step 2. Update the bank account. If the minor is already having a bank account, visit the bank together for an in-person verification. The bank will update the account to major status, taking the signature and issuing a new checkbook and a debit card. If they don't have an account yet, open a new one as their name as an account holder. Last step is completing the KYC process for mutual fund investments. The young adult needs to submit their updated PAN card, photo and address proof. This step ensures that the mutual fund investments comply with regulations. Remember, without this, no transactions can happen in this specific account. Also, submitting a minor to major form, also known as the MAM form. This needs to be submitted to a mutual fund company along with a copy of PAN card, KYC acknowledgement, a cancelled check with the young adult's name printed on the same, signature attestation from the bank or a guardian. And apart from that, one important thing is if there are any ongoing SIPs, SWPs or STPs, they would be automatically stopped unless it has been re-registered with a fresh mandates. So also finally, fresh nomination form needs to be submitted to the same folio. Lastly, here are some quick reminders for you. The guardian cannot make transactions once the minor turns 18. All standing instructions like SIP and SWPs would be automatically stopped. The ownership of investments always belong to the minor turned major. So ensure these steps are completed as soon as possible to keep the investments accessible. Transitioning from a minor to major investor is a significant milestone. It marks the beginning of financial independence. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for interesting content like this.